BJP-led Indian government and its puppet regime in occupied Kashmir are attempting to mislead the world by using their pliant media to publish fake reports about the so-called peace and development in the occupied territory. This was stated by some Srinagar-based political analysts and those closely watching the situation in occupied Kashmir. Democratic Freedom Party, led by the jailed senior APHC leader Shabir Shah, has paid rich tributes to the martyred liberation leaders Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone and the martyrs of Hawal on their martyrdom anniversaries. Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq was assassinated by unidentified gunmen at his residence on Srinagar on 21st May in 1990. India's Supreme Court has paved the way for the prosecution of 6 Kashmiris in the fake case in which they were earlier exonerated by the High Court of Occupied Kashmir. The 6 individuals are accused of carrying out the failed car suicide bomb attack on a Central Reserve Police Force convoy in Banihal in March 2019. An Indian Army major committed suicide in Akhnur area of the Jammu district. The deceased Indian Army major has been identified as Mubarak Singh from Jalandhar, Punjab. According to the family sources, he shot himself after locking himself in the room at Akhnur, where he was currently posted. Indian policeman died of cardiac arrest in the Rajouri district. Constable named Shabir Ahmed was posted in the police line in Rajouri, suffered a massive heart attack, an official said. Modi-led Indian regime has put stringent measures in place and deployed additional forces personnel in the Baramulla, Kupwara, Bandipur and Budgam districts in the name of maintaining so-called security ahead of another round of the Indian elections in the territory. Baramulla constituency is set to go to polls in the 5th phase on 20th May.